Hi everyone, welcome back to Timeless Tales. Today, we're exploring Hobbiton, a journey to Middle-earth. Welcome to Hobbiton, a place where fantasy meets reality. Located in the heart of New Zealand's North Island, this picturesque movie set is a must-visit for any Lord of the Rings or Hobbit fan. Today, we're going to explore the history, design, and magic behind this iconic filming location. In 1999, Peter Jackson and his team began building Hobbiton for the Lord of the Rings trilogy. They chose this location for its stunning landscapes and rolling hills, which perfectly captured the essence of Middle-earth. The set was built to last with careful attention to detail and a focus on sustainability. Today, it remains one of the most popular tourist attractions in New Zealand. The design of Hobbiton was inspired by J.R.R. Tolkien's descriptions in the books. The team used natural materials and traditional building techniques to create the iconic Hobbit holes and other structures. We wanted to create a sense of history and authenticity while also capturing the whimsy and wonder of Middle-earth. Hobbiton was the main filming location for the Shire scenes in both the Lord of the Rings and Hobbit trilogies. We'll take a look at some of the most iconic scenes filmed here and share some behind-the-scenes secrets. Today, visitors from around the world can explore Hobbiton and experience the magic of Middle-earth for themselves. We'll take you on a tour of the set and show you what to expect when you visit. Thanks for joining us on this journey to Hobbiton. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more fascinating topics.